What is digital transformation? It's listening. It's seeing. It's understanding your world from a new perspective. It's connecting everyday objects and brand new devices, creating intelligent systems that provide insight, create impact, and that empower you to evolve and disrupt. To us, digital business is digital leadership, connecting the old with the new, the physical with the abstract, and the ordinary with the intelligent. Enabling you to be better and your assets smarter so that you can shift the digital dial. Certus Digital. Intelligent digital business.